Taylor's car is looking like a sick Hot Boy Miata now. Oh my god, it's gonna look amazing.
I can't wait.
Lazy dog. Lazy dog. Lazy human being.
That's not true.
Yes, it is.
I work harder than anybody.
Uh-huh.
Leave me alone.
Today's gonna be an awesome day because we're gonna be visiting Taylor for the first time. So I've never been to his house / shop. So he is gonna be working on his Miata, and I'm gonna come hang out and see what I can help with. You know, like the old days. That should be really fun. I'm working on my cars, half taken apart at the shop, but that is for another video, and I'm waiting for stuff, so we're gonna go hang out with him. This should be a fun day.
Take a slight right turn to merge onto Florida 408 West toward downtown Orlando.
Made it to this beautiful weather in Florida. It's a little gloomy, but you know, it's nice. I'm pretending to be Taylor. Is it working? We're here.
I mean, it sucks about TIG. You just end up burning yourself a lot. You have
Come over to hang out with Taylor just to watch him weld.
to. I've been welding like all day.
I know, but I have to learn too. I suck. I'm trying to teach Matt, and I don't even know what I'm doing. It's hilarious.
TIG's where it gets real fun.
I know. I'm in the future, little by little.
Yeah, no, you gotta learn MIG first. But like, this is like super satisfying when you get it right. When you mess it up, you mess it
They're
up.
like super nice, clean welds.
It's just so much lesson. Like look at all this stuff from like MIG welding. Like you get all the spatter everywhere, and it's such like a messy process. You can see like all the slag and stuff on the table, whereas this is like you can have a conversation while you're welding. It's just so quiet and clean. It's like so much less messy of a process.
I love that helmet.
Yeah, you got the America one, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was the one I was gonna get, and I saw this one and I was like, oh, I gotta get that one.
That one's cooler.
You think? I don't know. I like the America one.
I've been watching Taylor's videos. I don't know if you guys have, but you should. And he's working on his Miata and doing all this stuff to trying to get a new engine in there. But while the Miata's down, he's like making it pretty. I'm so excited. It's gonna be amazing. This car, I always love Miatas. Ben is the Miata man, and every time I needed anything, Ben was like, "I got you, bro." And now Taylor has like right next door. He can get anything he needs. Yeah, if you ever need any Miata parts of any kind, don't hesitate to go in the description of this video and find Ben's used Miata parts. Amazing. He has everything you need, I promise.
So ready to put the fucking car back together.
I haven't been able to hang out with Taylor in forever, and I gotta tell you, I haven't caught up on this car at all. It's so nice now.
Under it?
No, I haven't seen under it in like probably a year.
Since it was turbo?
Yeah,
Yeah, more than a year then. Or like right around a year.
it's beautiful. I was just admiring the welding on the trans, or the trans,
Diff mount?
on the diff mount. Yeah, it's amazing.
I
You
didn't
welded
do
all
this.
that, didn't you?
I didn't do this.
No, not the exhaust, but
Yeah, the other stuff.
yeah, that's cool. Like that's good fab work. Like that makes you feel good. You're like, I did that.
Yeah, no, fab stuff is like the most fun.
Yeah.
Because it's so rewarding.
Where's this diff from again?
Ford 88 Thunderbird, like 90s Thunderbird.
It's amazing.
It's a huge, like look at how big it is. It's like puts 350Z diff to shame.
Yeah, it does.
Like it's a big boy.
Are you bored?
A little bit.
Taylor, how many Miatas are at your house?
Oh, 1, 2.
Well, you can't
One.
count. You got it off the top of your head, baby.
I gotta count. I don't know.
There's that many?
There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Seven Miatas. This is definitely
That's a lot
Miata
of
headquarters.
We do have a lot of Miatas right now.
I know.
Sometimes there's only 1, 2, 3. Oh no, 8.
8. Yes, right
About
next
that
to you.
one. I don't know. I don't know. 8 though. 8.
And if you
Miatas.
put all of these together, there's a lot more, but
well, like all the parts.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Normally it's that one, mine, Finn's other 2, so 4, and then parts cars. He's got 3 parts cars right now, plus Justin's car.
it's amazing.
A lot of Miatas.
So Taylor, I figured out what I'm gonna have to do since you have so many Miatas here,
Right.
right?
You have to buy a bunch of 240s.
No, I'm gonna have to take one off your hands, and then we could
Oh, well, they're not mine.
Miata party again.
I have one Miata.
I know, but Ben gets them all the time. I'll just get one of those parts car, and then I'll put the parts back in it.
But they're all salvage title cars.
So it's a drift car. We'll beat them up.
All right, I'll let you just
Remember
go.
when we used to Miata party?
I do.
We could Miata party again with
We
Hot Boy
should.
cars.
We should.
We should do
Let's do it
it. It's in the future.
in the future.
Taylor's car is looking like a sick Hot Boy Miata now. Oh my God, it's gonna look amazing.
I can't wait.
With the right engine in there now. Oh man.
I know, just an engine. Having an
And engine.
not this empty hole of vastness.
This looks beautiful though. I'm very Hot Boy. I'm very happy. Finished hanging out with Taylor and helping him install the side skirts, and that was pretty much it. He did the rest of the body kit, and he welded the whole tow hook thing, or
Jack point.
jack point, and just looked at him welding, see if I can learn something. I didn't weld any of the welds, no matter what joke I may
Suck
have
that helmet
said.
didn't work.
Yeah, no, I want to watch a little more. I definitely have to come back and like legit. We'll make a video called "Learning How to Weld." Taylor Chronicles or
Are
something.
you gonna learn how to TIG weld or MIG weld?
It doesn't matter. You're gonna be the teacher. It'll be
does
like
matter.
the teacher. Like we'll dress you up like Bob Ross, and we got a little
All right,
spot weld
today-
here,
Yeah.
and
A
go
little
over
tack.
here.
A little tack.
A little tack. Yes, I'm sorry. I don't know
We'll give him a little friend.
See, it'd be perfect, dude. That would be perfect. We
All
should
right,
make that.
we'll do it. We'll do it.
But super awesome hanging out with you, bro.
I know, it's been a long time.
I know, we need to do this again. And if you guys want to see how he installed his brand new body kit in his Miata and his jack point, go check it out at his video. He just uploaded it yesterday, I believe, or something.
Yeah, you don't even know when you.
I don't know when I'm gonna upload this video, so.
Before his, for sure.
yeah. So, all right. See you guys next time. Thank you for watching, subscribing, and bye.